Happy birthday, sis. I made this card just for you. Just kidding. But if it is your birthday, happy birthday. And I hope you have a beautiful day. Everyone else, stop fronting. It's not your birthday. But you can watch me bring this card to life. I know y'all been enjoying my daily crafts. And I hope y'all continue to watch my videos all the way to the end. And like, comment, and of course, repost. And I think I have enough projects that I want you to comment your favorite project below. Write down in the comments. Don't forget to do that. And as you can see, we're getting the card all together. I'm dealing with a few different adhesive. I've used glue and I'm using the double-sided foam tape to pop her hair up a little bit. And we're going to go ahead and glue the happy birthday for the inside of the card because this is a birthday card. And this card was fairly easy to make. I designed it in Cricut Design Space. So if you're interested in creating the same exact card, you can do that. All you have to do is go to Cricut Design Space and search Divine Creations. That's Divon. Once you search my name, all of my Cricut projects will be available for you to create. And you can keep the same colors or switch it up. You are free to make edits. It's up to you. So if you're interested in making this card, that's how you can do it. And that's pretty much it. It took less than 30 minutes to cut. And there it is. It looks great. I hope you like it. Bye.